First of all, about India. See, whatever you see in the media, in the news, don't go by it. As I go through my house, when I stay in Koramangala, I'm surrounded all along by non-Muslims, Hindus, Christians, everyone. We never ever had any problem with them. In fact, we help each other, we love each other, we support each other, we respect each other. This is how it is in thousands of people. So any kind of misunderstanding, remember, you see some bad news, some Muslim was beaten up somewhere in UP or in Assam and Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh somewhere. Remember, every day, thousands of Hindu doctors are saving lakhs of Muslim lives all over India. Thousands of Hindus and Muslims are studying in thousands of Christian institutions all over India. And that's how, and we are being treated in hospitals run by Christian missionaries. That's where we studied, that's where we were taken care of when we were not well. So this kind of service continues all over India. Hindus, Muslims, Christians all live in harmony, in peace, in love. That is what our religions preach. India is still the best place for everyone to stay. So that's how it is. Don't be carried away by any kind of wrong misimpression in the media.
Moving forward, his mission is to serve the society. A man who stands first at the time of need. He has that legacy in his blood from his father, right? With profound respect, with these lines, I invite our Honorable Secretary, Mr. Umar Ismail Khan, to grace the stage. तदबीर के दस्ते ज़र्री से तकदीर दरख्शां होती है. तदबीर के दस्ते ज़र्री से तकदीर दरख्शां होती है. खुदरत भी मदद फरमाती है जब कोशिश इंसान होती है. Over to you, sir.
Welcome to your annual day. I'm sure happiness and a joyous annual day. A quick introduction about the trust. In 1962, Gaussiya Industrial Engineering Trust was formed by Haji Nabi Sharif Sahib, who donated his own personal land, about 5 acres, in the heart of Bangalore. And then even though the gentleman was not educated, he formed a trust with all educated people with an immense love for education in the name of his father, Ghaus Sharif. So then the trust was called Gaussiya Industrial Engineering Trust. And then they started with an ITI in 1981. When my father, Dr. Mumtaz Ahmad Khan, joined the trust as a secretary, he was inducted into a trust and made honorary secretary. They started the engineering college in this campus. Not in this campus. In Bangalore, we started a polytechnic in the Bangalore campus, and we started an engineering college in Ramnagaram town, in a very small building inside town. Then later on, they bought this land, and now there's 24 acres of land here, and 8 acres of land behind to develop further, and that's how it started. And then now we have a PUC college in this campus, diploma, BCA, BBA, and PUC Diploma Engineering. And of course in the Bangalore campus we have another engineering college, Gaussiya Institute of Technology for Women, the only second engineering college only for girls, that's in Bangalore. And of course we have Polytechnic and ITI in the same campus in Bangalore. And as the trust moves on, we have after my father, Dr. Ahmad Sharif Saab, became the chairman, and he ran the trust well, and I was honor secretary at that time. After his passing, he is most eligible trustee for the post of chairman. Nawaz Sharif Saab became the chairman, who runs more than 100 hotels in Bangalore. He's only about 51 years of age, and he has this famous Sharif Bhai and Amis Biryani and other brands as well. So all over you can see his brands. He has developed as business. Now his sons are there, his sons are married now. He's a grandfather also. In a young age he achieved quite a lot. Then after, of course, we have on this moment we must remember our Dr. Ahmad Sharif Saraj, who passed away in February. The same day we had the Indo-American program, so we had to attend the program and run back to his funeral. And we let his God rest his soul in peace. So this college is the idea of starting a college in rural areas. The benefit of that, most people, most students who wouldn't have the chance of becoming engineers have become engineers only because of the presence of this college in rural areas. More than 200 Muslim minority girls have become engineers of Ramagaram town, otherwise which have not been possible. And again, the same way my father started a medical college in Bijapur, Al-Amin College, Bijapur. Bijapur was the most forsaken place in Karnataka, and it was really dying. And then at that time, Dr. Ramakrishna Hegde allotted the medical college there so that the new life could come to that place, and it happened like that. And now thousands of people have become doctors from that college. More than 20,000 students have become engineers from this college. So students, as the Dr. M.S. Salim Saab was speaking, a few points I noted down. So it's not in order, as whatever he was saying, thoughts that came to my mind, I wrote it down. So a few points I will share with you. First of all, about India. See, whatever you see in the media, in the news, don't go by it. As I go through my house, when I stay in Koramangala, I'm surrounded all along by non-Muslims, Hindus, Christians, everyone. We never ever had any problem with them. In fact, we help each other, we love each other, we support each other, we respect each other. This is how it is in thousands of people. So any kind of misunderstanding, remember, you see some bad news, some Muslim was beaten up somewhere in UP or in Assam and Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh somewhere. Remember, every day, thousands of Hindu doctors are saving lakhs of Muslim lives all over India. Thousands of Hindus and Muslims are studying in thousands of Christian institutions all over India. And and we are treated in hospitals run by Christian missionaries. That's why we studied, that's why we were taken care of when we were not well. So this kind of service continues all over India. Hindus, Muslims, Christians all live in harmony, in peace, in love. That is what our religions preach. India is still the best place for everyone to stay. So that's how it is. Don't be carried away by any kind of wrong misimpression in the media. Sir was talking about safety in the road thing, because young people are dying in accidents, etc. Earlier, every year, 2 or 3 students of Gausia used to die in road accidents. It was a rule. Always, I remember, the fall used to come in the midnight. Some boy was coming, truck hit him, and he died. Near Bangalore, this Bangalore-Mysore road was a bad road with a lot of curves and blind spots, and that used to happen. Thanks to the government of India that they put a new road. Before that, before this road came up, there was a proposal to widen the road across on the main road, this main road that we have. And then many people objected, sir, why should we give our land to the government, to the road? Let them give us a compensation and all that. My father said, if this is going to save human lives, let us give the road first, then we will talk about compensation. So you will see from this old Mysore road, there is no stretch from old Mysore road to Bangalore that is as wide as it is in front of the masjid here. You see, when you go out, you go and see the span of the road, from our masjid to the other side of the road. No other road is as wide in the old Mysore road as it was here, because my father said it is better to save lives than to save land. Let us give the road to the community, So that's one thing from our contribution. Also, there is always a mindset of half glass empty or half glass full. If you have a glass of water and it's half full of water, there are people who will say the half glass is full. The other people will say the half glass empty, which means that is a positive attitude and negative attitude. All of you all should be of the attitude of saying half glass of water is full. That is how you should be. There are people with me, I'm surrounded by people wherever I go. I speak to them. I try to be as positive as possible, and they try to be as negative as possible. I say, India is a great country, it's growing, there are so many jobs. They say, no sir, we read in the newspaper, lakhs of jobs they've lost. What do we do next? So everything, there is always a negative. Remember, dear, the world is run by God. It is God's land. It's God's government. God runs the world. Can a great God, a powerful God, run a negative world? It is not possible. It has to be a positive world. It is a great world. So all of you all should always have the attitude of seeing the half glass full, not the half glass empty. Coming to my staff here, very good staff, very good. All these functions are possible for us. If we stay in Bangalore, we come here, come directly for function, go back. Why is it possible? Because people like Salim, Saifullah, Atiqullah, and all the other support staff who are here, they take great care of all the events. They keep everything. These young people, they work very hard. So I'm grateful to all of them. Today, before I left here, I went to my mother. I met my mother. She's very old now. She's about 85 years. And she has lost her memory and she's become very weak. I held her hand and shook hands, touched her feet, and then I come here. Why I do this? I do this because I know when I do that to my mother, I have pleased God and Allah is happy with me. That is why I do it. So all of y'all, please remember to respect your mother as much as possible. Take her blessings, take good care of her. If you don't take good care of your mother, God will be unhappy with you. If God is unhappy, you lost everything. So please take good care of your mother, respect your parents, old parents. As I always do that, and I know if I have a blessings, I am safe. So all of y'all, I have my advice to you. Please take good care of your mother. Give a lot of respect. Don't argue with her. Y'all are young. Anyway, I am old, so my mother is also old. You are young, so your parents will be young. Don't harass them for good stuff, for expensive stuff. See, what if they can provide you, whatever mobile phone they've given you, whatever laptop they've given you, what they are feeding you at home, what they are clothing you, is the best that they can afford. Don't harass them. Don't trouble them. As a chairman of Alameen Education Society, many parents come to me and say, sir, in your college, the fees is about 70,000 for a particular course. For another college, it's about 3 lakhs. But my daughter is insisting, I want to go there. And then when I argued with her and told her there's the same course, same degree, she said, you should have thought of this before you gave me birth. Before you gave me birth, you should have thought of this. Now that you have given me birth, you put me in the most expensive college and take care of me. That helpless lady is going all over begging money to pay her fees. So don't do that. Don't trouble your parents. Whatever they give you, it's the best. Be content with that and try to, in fact, take care of them. Sir, my Dr. M.A. Salim Saab is an old student of Alameen College. That is the pride of Alameen. And my father used to respect him a lot. And he also respected my father a lot. So that kind of bonding we had. We also gave him the Alameen Community, All India Community Leadership Award a few years back. Sir has gracefully accepted that. See, there are, in the world you will see, there are people who have the bad qualities such as greed, anger, frustration, and hatred, and cruelty. And they are also living their lives. And there are the others who live with love, generosity, kindness, happiness, patience. So you can choose which way you want to live. So always remember to live that this is the right way. That when God created a human being, the angels came and told him, why did you create him? We have seen a lot of bloodshed and badness in the world already. Why do you create again another creature like this? Then God said, I know what you not know. But the angels were not wrong. The angels had seen that part of the human being that was going to spread this kind of evil hatred in this world. But God also had seen that there will be another side to this human being. So we should be that side of God that God expects from us. Generous, kind, noble, patient. This is, and not the other side, which the angels saw and got scared. That is cruelty, bloodshed, hatred, etc. So let us all try to be on the good side of what God expects us to be. For students, a bit of advice, a few lines of advice, a few points of advice before I wind up. First, obedience to parents. Please be obedient to parents as much as you can. Be humble and be kind to them and listen to them. Obedience to teachers. Please follow your teachers. Don't be arrogant. Don't be smart. They have lots of years of experience. They are working here sincerely to see that you get good results. You're not smarter than them. Please be obedient to teachers. Be regular in your studies. And always be willing to serve and help your family members, your friends. Whenever there's an opportunity to serve, help, you should be the first to reach there, in your friend's house, your relative's house, in college, anywhere. Please be the first to always be ready to serve. Responsible use of mobile phone. Please use your mobile phone responsibly. It's a great device. There's a lot of goodness in that. Please use it responsibly. Don't see it for too long. It will spoil your eyesight. The blue light that emits from it damages your eyes and rest of the body as well. So take good limited use of mobile phone and use it well. All of you all should play some kind of sport. Some kind of sport is important. Girls and boys, some kind of sport is important. Please play some sport. If you can't, at least go to the gym. Those who are talented and play some sports. Though or not, the gym is the ideal place for those who are not talented to play sports. Please be regular to the gym. Also, no bad habits. Smoking will damage your lungs. Alcohol will damage your liver. And any other kind of bad habit, please avoid all those bad habits. Be in good company and live a good, clean life. The last point before I wind up, this is about charity. One of my friends, they're very regular in charity, etc. They, for somehow in business, they got lost in business and they forgot to give the regular zakat, the charity that they used to give. And somehow the well they had in their shop dried up. They didn't realize it. They thought, okay, if everyone says, somebody put a borewell next to my house, some other borewell, the water table in India has gone, the water table in Bangalore has gone down. So they just ignored it and they forgot about it. Then after a few months or years, they realized that they have not been paying that amount of zakat or amount regularly. So that night they sat and they took out all that amount and settled it and said, we're going to pay, and came back. Next day when they're going to the shop, the water was flowing out of the shop and coming onto the road. So the workers came and said, the shutter was down. So something happening, some big issues there, water is coming out of the house, out of the shop. So when they raised the shutter and saw that well, which had dried up, the water was flowing up out of it, that. So remember, the water in your borewell, water in the well, all these blessings are from God. As long as you are regular with charity, you're taking care of others, God takes care of you, okay? So please, prayer and regular charity also is very important. Thank you so much.
इस दुनिया को सजाने संवारने में इंजीनियर्स का रोल काफी अहम है। इस देश की तरक्की में इंजीनियर्स का रोल काफी अहम है। कर्नाटक की दो अजीम शख्सियत हाजी नबी शरीफ और डॉक्टर मुमताज अहमद खान ने 1980 में गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग की बुनियाद रखी और इस ग्रेट इंस्टीट्यूशन से निकलने वाले इंजीनियर्स भी इस देश की तरक्की में, इस दुनिया की तरक्की में काफी अहम रोल अदा करते हुए आ रहे हैं। रियासत कर्नाटक के डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस डॉक्टर एम.ए. सलीम ने इन ख्यालात का इजहार किया। 13 मई 2026 गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग रामनगर ने अपना एनुअल डे मनाया, गौसियाना 2026 मनाया। इस मौके पर गौसिया कॉलेज को दुल्हन की तरह सजाया गया। गौसियाना 2026 के चीफ गेस्ट डायरेक्टर जनरल एंड इंस्पेक्टर ऑफ पुलिस डॉक्टर एम.ए. सलीम थे। गौसिया तालीमी इदारे के चेयरमैन नवाज ए शरीफ, सेक्रेटरी उमर इस्माइल खान, प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर एन.एस. कुमार, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर डॉक्टर एजाज अहमद, गौसियाना 2026 के कन्वीनर डॉक्टर सैफुल्लाह खान व दीगर मौजूद थे। स्पोर्ट्स और कल्चरल प्रोग्रामों में हिस्सा लेने वाले स्टूडेंट्स को इनामात से नवाजा गया। आला पुलिस ऑफिसर एम.ए. सलीम ने कहा कि अच्छे अखलाक से ही अच्छी शख्सियत बनती है। स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर्स मेक स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनैलिटी। सेक्रेटरी उमर इस्माइल खान ने स्टूडेंट से, नौजवानों से दरख्वास्त की कि वो मनफी सोच से बचें, नेगेटिव सोच से बचें, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग डेवलप करें। पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग रखने वालों को ढेर सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगी। चेयरमैन नवाज शरीफ ने कहा कि पिछले 15-20 साल में जो गैर मामूली तरक्की हुई है, मौजूदा दौर के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट ने खानदानी विरासत से कई गुना ज्यादा दौलत हासिल की है। तो नौजवानों के लिए मौजूदा दौर एक सुनहरा दौर है। भले ही चैलेंजेस मौजूद हों, लेकिन अपॉर्चुनिटीज ढेर सारी हैं। जुनूबी हिंद न्यूज रिपोर्ट।
वॉलीबॉल रनर टीम सईदा रुशाने सिराज एंड सईदा अफीफा।